Welcome to PreMath. In this video, we have got this rational equation 666 divided by x plus 777 equals to 888. And now we are going to find the value of 999 divided by x plus 888. And we are not supposed to be using a calculators of any kind. Please don't forget to give a thumbs up and subscribe. Let's get started with the solution. Let's focus on this very first equation. Let me go ahead and call this as our equation number 1. And now let's focus on the denominator of this equation, x plus 777. Let me call this denominator as our u. Therefore, we are going to make a substitution. Let me go ahead and call u equals to x plus 777 to make our job easier. Now let's go ahead and flip both of these sides over. So this could be written as 1 divided by u equals to 1 divided by x plus 777. Let me go ahead and multiply both sides by 666 on this side and 666 on this side as well. So the left hand side is going to become 666 divided by u equal to 666 divided by x plus 777. And now let's focus on this equation 1. And here's our equation 1. So this is going to become, we can see the left hand side, this one equal to this part, 666 divided by u equals to 888. And now 888 could be written as 888 divided by 1. Let's go ahead and flip both sides over. So I can write u divided by 666 equals to 1 divided by 888. And now let's go ahead and multiply both sides by 666 on this side and 666 on this side as well. So this 666 and this one is gone. Let's go ahead and reduce this fraction by dividing both sides by 222 on this side and 222 on the denominator as well. So therefore, our u value turns out to be 3 divided by 4. So this is our u value. And here's our next step. Let's focus on this expression 999 divided by x plus 888. And here I have copied it down. Let me go ahead and manipulate this one. Now we can tweak this 888 could be written as 777 plus 111. As you can see in this next step. And now let's focus on this denominator part. X plus 777, we know that is equal to u. So therefore, this expression could be written as 999 in the numerator, and the denominator is going to be written as u plus 111. And we know that our u value is 3/4. So I'm going to replace this one by 3 divided by 4. Therefore, let me go ahead and write down 999 divided by 3 divided by 4 plus 111. And now let's focus on this 3 over 4 plus 111. And here I have copied it down. Now this could be written as, if we switch them around, 111 plus 3/4, we know this is our whole number and this is a fraction. So we can simply mix them. We can write them 111 and 3/4. And this is called our mixed number. Now we can convert this mixed number into improper fraction by just multiplying this one out, 4 times 111, and then I'm going to add 3 to it. So that is going to give us, therefore I'm going to replace this denominator by this 447 divided by 4. Therefore I can write 999 divided by 447 divided by 4. And this fraction could be written as 4 times 999 divided by 447 by using this basic rule. And now let's focus on this 999. We could write this one as 1000 minus 1. So therefore we can write this expression as 4 times 1000 minus 1 divided by 447. And now let's go ahead and distribute this one. That is going to give us, therefore 4000 take away 4 is going to give us 3996 divided by 447. So therefore our this expression has been simplified to this fraction. And that's our final answer. Thanks for watching it. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more exciting videos. Bye.